We'll guide you through how to change Google Keep background. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to make Google Keep more comfortable to use, especially in low light or at night. Some users prefer dark theme to reduce eye strain and improve focus. Others may not know where the setting is located and need simple, step-by-step instructions to change it. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move to the search bar and type Google Chrome into it. When the search results appear, click to open Google Chrome on your computer so that the browser launches properly. After the browser launches, click on the address bar at the top, type Google Keep, and press Enter on your keyboard to begin the search. From the search results page, find and click on the official Google Keep website to make sure you are accessing the correct platform. After the dashboard is visible, move your cursor to the top right area of the screen and hover it over the settings icon, which looks like a small gear symbol. Pause briefly to confirm you are pointing at the correct icon. Next, click the settings icon to open its options. A drop-down menu will appear directly below the icon, showing several available settings. Carefully look through the list and find the option labeled Enable Dark Theme below the word Settings. Once you locate this option, select Enable Dark Theme by clicking on it. Immediately after selecting this option, your Google Keep background is now in dark theme, and the interface will change from a light background to a darker one for easier viewing in low light conditions. If you later decide that you prefer the original appearance, you can easily switch it back. To change it back, click the settings icon again in the top right corner of the dashboard. When the drop-down menu appears, look for the option labeled Disable Dark Theme. Click Disable Dark Theme to turn off the dark mode feature. After you select this option, your Google Keep background will return to the default white theme, restoring the original light interface design.